ways to make your first online sale. What's up and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know the ways to make your first online sales, then keep on watching. The first way is to engage on Instagram. When I first started my clothing business online with 0 followers, I used this trick that I'm going to reveal to you in a bit and got my first sale at almost 50 followers completely for free. Here was how I did it. I did some research and went to an Instagram page with 70,000 over followers that offers similar item as mine. After some research, I found out customers from that Instagram profile have been inquiring a few items that I offer but my competitors doesn't. So now I know my competitors' target audience is exactly the same as mine. They have customer seekings for the items that they do not offer, but I do, and they have a huge followings. So the first thing I did was I started posting content on my own page. You want to have content on your own page, especially the items your competitors' customers are looking for, because they will stalk you. I recommend posting at least 6 pictures on your Instagram to start with. Second, go to this group of people's Instagram profile and begin to comment, like, and follow their profile. This way, that person is going to receive 3 notifications. And usually when a stranger does that, what do? You'll be curious, right? And you will start clicking on that stranger's profile to stalk. You already know that they are going to stalk your profile and you already have content ready. Plus the content are the items that this group of people are looking for. You want to keep doing that to at least 50 profiles every day. 48 out of 50 of them will stalk you, 10 out of 50 of them will follow you, and 1 out of 50 of them will buy from you. And that's how you get your first sale for free. Second, send free samples to influencers. The internet is packed with influencer bloggers, journalists, entrepreneurs, and vloggers from a wide range of industry and niches. Many of them have large following on social media and loyal audiences on their websites. Sending a free sample of your products to such influencers who are either within your industry or related to it in some way gives you an opportunity to let them know you appreciate their work with a small gift. Also, hopefully you will get a mention on one of their sites or platforms. Not only will this provide you with a spike in traffic and social media followers, but you will also have a seal of approval from industry experts. These influencers will provide you with measurable results following a potential share or shout out, and you are likely to raise the status of your product in the eye of potential customers. Third, build an email list. Building up an email list for marketing purposes is absolutely essential. In fact, according to the research by Marketing Sherpa, 60% of marketers polled found that email marketing produced a ROI for their company. 32% believe that it eventually produced ROI. And the estimated ROI from email marketing programs for the company were, the overall group reported 119%, a figure that's tough for any online store owner to ignore. Having a list of emails from previous and potential customers means you can get their information, products, and content into their personal mailboxes. In contrast, updates made to your Facebook page and Twitter handle will almost never be able to reach your entire following due to time zone differences and other factors. Start building at your email list today by including an email subscription form somewhere noticeable on your website. Here is a clever way to convince visitors to sign up for your list. Instead of simply saying join our newsletter, offer an incentive or some type of value for signing up. I talk more about it in this video here. Fourth, start blogging. If you aren't already running a blog associated with your store or product, then you are missing out on the limitless potential of content marketing. By producing free, valuable content, you will create trust in your brand and keep people informed. Blogging also gives you something to share on social media and helps you to rank in search engines. A simple yet highly effective way to get started with content marketing for your business is to think of all the starting points queries people have about your products and industry. Using your blog, you can answer these queries as individual articles. As an example, visitors to your Shopify blog are interested in learning about e-commerce and dropshipping among many other topics. Because of this, you can create content that ranks for terms like how to sell online, and how to do drop shipping. Additionally, you can use your blog to offer tips, tutorials, and resources related to your products and lifestyle around your products. If you can create epic content on a fairly regular basis, you'll begin to see the power of content marketing via social media shares, search engines, and so forth. Lastly, sponsor an event. In some cases, sponsoring an event can work wonders. In other cases, it can be an immense waste of time and resources. To avoid the latter, you will need to do your research. First, you should ensure that you select the right event to sponsor. Search for events where attendees actually will be interested in your products, and then find out how many consumers will be in attendance. Once you get a rough idea about the different event types and sizes, you can begin sorting them out by cost. It's also important to avoid sending just a small convoy of marketers to simply set up a table and hand out flyers. If there are potential customers attending, you will need to be creative than that in order to build relationships. Demonstrate some of your most interesting products to tell your story. Get people talking and provide on-the-spot rewards like coupons or free stickers in return for email list subscriptions and social media follows. I hope these 5 tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way. I will see you in the next video.